All right, so going over these two that you wanted me to go to review for you. So to find the missing angle for this first one, you have to realize that both the top and bottom are triangles, and for triangles, all three of the angles have to add up to be 180. But you also know that these two triangles are connected here. They're connected and it's kind of flipped over. So these two angles here are actually equivalent because they are vertical angles. They're mirror images of each other. Okay, so they'll be equivalent. So what we have to do is if we find one of the angles, then we've automatically found the other, and we'll use that to find our question mark. Okay, so that'll be the last thing we do. So in order to find the top triangle, and we'll call that triangle A, find its missing angle, we'll add 225 plus 50 plus some kind of number is going to equal 180. Well, if I put together my 25 and 50, I get 75 plus a number equals 180. Well, I know that 105 plus 75 equals 180. So then that tells me that my missing angle here is 105. And since these is a vertical angle to the one right opposite of it, that one's also 105. Now that I have this, I can go ahead and find my question mark. My question mark will be equal to 180, which is the angle, the measure that all triangles add up. All angles, let's say that differently. All triangles have 180 degrees. So I can subtract my two angles from 180 to find my question mark. I can subtract 105 and 42 from it to find my question mark. Okay, so we know that 180 minus 105 is 75. And then we're just going to do 75 minus 22, which is 33. Okay, that's how we found that our question mark equals 33 degrees. All right, moving on to that second one that you gave me. Find the measure of angle A. Again, it's a triangle. All triangles are 180 degrees. So we'll add up all three angles and set it equal to 180 degrees. All right, so this angle here, this little box, means that it's 90 degrees. So I've got 90 degrees. I've also got my 14x. And I've got my 5x minus 5. All of those add up to be 180 degrees. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and simplify on the left side by combining like terms. So we have 5x and 14x added together. That's 19x. And then we have negative 5 and positive 90. That's positive 85 equals 180. Minus 85. Minus 85 on both sides to go ahead and solve. So 19x is equal to 95. All right, and our last step is to divide both sides by 19. So x is going to equal 5. Okay, 19 times 5 is 95. So x equals 5, but that's not what they asked us. They asked us to find the measure of angle A. Angle A is 5x minus 5, so I'm going to plug my x in or substitute my x there. So when x equals 5, I can solve this expression. So I'll do 5 times my 5, because that's where that's coming from here, my value for x, minus 5 again. So 5 times 5 is 25, minus 5 is 20. So the measure of angle A is equal to 20 degrees. All right.